Alright, boys. I don't mean to cut it short. But I'm bringing on the giant pigs. Tonight, we're going to draw Lystrosaurus. Let's see what we can find on these. First off, they're highly successful pig-like reptiles. They were discovered in 1969, and they're 6.5 feet long. They lived during the early Triassic. And let's see what else I can find on them. They travel in groups. These animals evolved from Permian creature known as dicynodont. And they're more like more like related to pigs. They look like one thing that's special about them is that they have tusks. The tusks are dangling from their upper mouths, and once more, their bodies are exactly steel-like gray, and they carry along much like their pre-evolved state dicynodont. They have this. They have very smart hearing. Remind me I have to draw those guys one day. There we are. Here's the tail. Here we are. There we go. That is how you draw Lystrosaurus. There we are. No regards, that he reminds me of, that his name reminds me of my teacher, Mr. Liston. Anyway, That is how you draw Lystrosaurus. I know, I know. What? It's found in Antarctica? That was new. I didn't think they'd be found there. That place is nothing but ice. Or is it? You never know for sure. That's all for now, guys.